Yo, what is good, guys? I hope you all had a good long weekend. Had some fun celebrating 4th of July with fireworks, whatever it was. But we got a big week ahead of us. I think we're setting up for a big run here. So make sure to watch this whole video, show it some love, give it a like, and subscribe as always. And yeah, let's just hop into it. So if you weren't aware, I made a video earlier today on the fractals and algorithms that I've come across, which I highly recommend you go watch. But I think we are in another macro fractal right now, which I'm not going to put up. I also still haven't fully dissected it yet, but I don't think I will be posting this stuff on here after kind of thinking it through, because this information is pretty crucial or critical, pretty much the answers to the stock market. So I think I might be keeping that strictly to the Discord, which I will have in the description. We're running a 4th of July sale, lifetime deal, so make sure to check it out. We aren't going to have that up for long, as there also aren't any more holidays coming up for a while, so this discount's probably not going to be up for a while after this, so make sure to go check it out. It'll be in the description. And yeah, so this macro fractal, if it does play out, would give us a big bullish move. And without that even being shown, I'm going to show you these technical signals on the short term that are setting up for a bullish move here. So right now we're sitting at these two gaps right in the middle. This is giving us this resistance, but above this, the big level is 383. That's the level we need to get above. Currently in futures, actually, we did get above it. We had a nice big burst, but it doesn't really matter until intraday trading tomorrow morning, because anything can happen in futures. So we'll see how that goes into tomorrow, but it's looking very bullish so far. I am loaded on a long position. It could totally go the wrong way, which, if it does, the bearish scenario that I see happening would be something like this. So you get up to this trend line. So this trend line here, I think is going to be very relevant, as if you break this, there really isn't any other resistance except for maybe something like this. So actually, yeah, that's something you're going to want to be watching. These two trend lines, make sure to have these on your charts, because these will be relevant. So you get through this one, you're probably going to test this and maybe this area, but the bearish outlook would be something like you either run into this trend line and you get rejected there, or let me draw it out quick. So you get rejected here, you break this, and I would think you fill this gap, bounce off the top of it, but we did kind of do that here, or break through here. So on the way up, you have to be careful of getting big rejections at these trend lines. But if you get through all of these, and especially the big one that I've been watching for weeks now, I'm telling you, the upside is extraordinary, because this is a falling wedge, and after your 5 touch points, you get your A, B, C, D, E. After that, you test the top, and then you break out, and the upside is extraordinary. Which you can find your levels with this, or another way, which I've showed you in videos how to play these yourselves. Wherever this is measured from, here. We'll do this as it's more conservative. You're looking at almost 440. That's a lot of upside here. So you don't want to be on the wrong side of this, because if it does this and you're short, you're going to lose your whole portfolio. Unless you're managing risk, but you get what I'm trying to say here. It's extremely bullish without looking at momentum and like the RSI, which I will put up. There's a lot of strength here. The one day, that MACD we were watching from when it crossed over, it's still above it, so there's still this bullish momentum on the daily and the weekly. The amount of space there is to move up on the weekly is really, this doesn't happen very often. Just look at the RSI. How many times have you been down here? Not that many times. Less than 10, whatever it is. Less than 10. I don't even have to count it. So MACD never been this low. There's a lot of upside on the weekly and the daily time frames, but my outlook on the rest of the year, I do think we will be making newer lows, but first we need a big move up. Unless that, the 2008 fractal plays out, which go back to my videos and you'll find it. 2008 looks exactly like 2022 or something like that, but you'll see me explain that, and I think that's really the only way we wouldn't get this big run, and rather just a waterfall into we just collapse. But we've fallen a lot. The monthly candles need some relief, and I think we're looking at some upside here. So really, you're just gonna want to be watching these trend lines here. These gaps, those are gonna be relevant too. But the big thing here, let me get everything out of the way. The big thing here is this wedge. If you break this trend line, in my opinion, you should not short, because first off, SPY right now has the highest short interest it's had in the last 2 years. The last 2 years. So there is a lot of fuel for a short squeeze here. 2%, that's pretty high when you're considering how big, the market cap is of the S&P 500 altogether. So you could be looking at a big melt up here. Especially if you start breaking all these crucial levels, that's where you could see. So there's really not too much I have to say in this video. I'm just gonna see what the next few days looks like. If my bullish bias gets supported by the next few days, especially Monday, I really do want to see what Monday looks like. But 383 is the big level to break, because if we break that, blue skies for a while. To the high 380s, 390 area. Yeah, right around here, prior resistances. Break 383 and you're going to get a big move up. So that's what you're going to want to be watching for this week. If you have not watched my past video, go watch it. My most recent video has to do with the fractals and algorithms I've had. I don't know if I will be able to keep that information up, so go watch it, maybe while you can. But yeah, I really do hope you go watch that. And other than that, that's where I'm going to leave this video. Make sure to check out the Discord link in the description, because that deal's not going to be up for long. So take it while you can, and yeah, we'll see how this week plays out. But yeah, make sure to show the video some love, give it a like and subscribe. And yeah, that's where I'm going to leave it. So peace out, guys.